Engaging.
Jump complete.
We've got a lock. Lock on confirmed. Make sure you get our good side. Aye, clearing torpedo tubes. Broadside cannons charging up. Scratch one enemy corvette. Enemy warheads locked on our position.
We're getting killed out here. Tagging enemy missiles. Aye, Captain. Engaging. Shield activated. Jump complete. Cycling jump. They've hit us hard, Captain. Recharging defenses.
Enemy missiles incoming, Captain. Broadside, open fire. Torpedo away. Broadside guns cleared.
Shield activated.
Understood. Swapping to primary weapons, Captain. Broadside's locked.
Shield activated.
Captain, we've got a lock. Clear the broadside guns. Enemy warheads locked on our position.
We've been hit hard. Damage control teams dispatched.
Commencing jump in 3, 2, 1. Broadside cannons locked on.
Jump complete. Jump cycling.
Clearing broadside guns. We got him, Captain. Enemy dreadnought destroyed. Broadside cannons recharging.
Aye, Captain. Firing on enemy missiles.
Clear broadside guns. Aye, Captain. Broadside guns.
Recharging countermeasure grid. Firing up. Jump complete. Jump cooling down.
Torpedo tubes are still reloading. Reloading broadside cannons.
Activated. Multiple impacts detected.
We're locked on, Captain. Enemy warheads locked on our position.
Punch it. Critical system failure across the board, Captain.